Hello friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us fly into the world of birds and learn some super fun facts about them.
Wow, I love birds. They are so cool and colorful.
Awesome. Did you know that there are about 10,000 species of birds all around us? All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly.
Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly.
The largest bird in the world is ostrich. Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbones.
Birds eat fruits, insects, seeds, fish, and small mammals and fish.
There are around 10,000 species of birds in the world.
Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards.
Amazing, isn't it? Birds have beaks but do not have any teeth.
All female birds lay eggs.
What fun fact about bird is your favorite?
My favorite bird is penguin. Birds are amazing. I want to spot as many as I can outside.
Yes. Thanks for flying through the bird fun facts with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun adventures.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.